there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer USDT from KuCoin to MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your MEXC account. And after logging in, you should see your wallet feature here. So what you will have to do is just click that, and then you will click deposit and then select USDT. Then you will have to copy your USDT deposit address and select the correct network, which is either ERC20, TRC20, or BSC. And then you will have to log into your KuCoin, and then you will select assets and then click withdraw and then USDT. And then you will paste the MEXC deposit address, and then you will select the name, the same network, and enter the amount. Double check all the details to avoid mistakes and complete 2FA verification if needed. And of course, you will click confirm and wait for the blockchain confirmation, and it would usually take about a few minutes. And once confirmed, your USDT will appear in your MEXC wallet. And yeah, always verify the network and addresses before transferring crypto, and incorrect networks can result in permanent loss. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.